Welcome to Appetite for Cooking. Today I will prepare a sauce to complement your meal or appetizers. It's tropical, floral, with a hint of savory flavors. You're going to enjoy it. To make this sauce, you'll need to add half a cup of mango nectar, 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, 1/4 cup of guava juice. This is starting to look really good, really good. It's time to add that ginger. Then we'll also add the soy sauce. Continuing to stir, blending the juices, the soy sauce, and that ginger in a nice silky texture. The heat will reduce that liquid a bit, and we are going to continue to stir for about 10 minutes. We are now finishing this off. We have added 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to 1/4 cup of water. We are now going to slowly add that cornstarch water blend to the sauce, making it a much thicker, full-bodied kind of texture, but yet maintaining that silkiness. So we will continue to stir that in until the texture is just right. See how I've dipped the spoon into the sauce and the sauce is coated around the spoon? That's what you're looking for. You know your sauce is now ready and we can serve. So we'll serve this up for you and we'll show you how it looks. I love this sauce because it gives me so many options on what I may add to it. I've poured this sauce over jerk chicken and sweet potatoes and I've used it as a dipping sauce. You see here that we have poured it over our Caribbean sweet heat chicken. We'll later show you how to make that recipe. Great tasting sauce. I highly recommend you trying it yourself. Thanks for joining us on another Appetite for Cooking episode. Share and like this video to help the channel grow, and we will see you on the next one.